Hi friends, and welcome to a Sunnyside Design tutorial. Today it's all about Halloween, and I just want to show you what my inspiration was for this post or this tutorial. I saw this bat wreath on Pottery Barn's website, and it was, how much was it? Like $55 or something. And
we're cheap. We're frugal.
We're frugal. I am not willing. Oh, it's $59. I'm not willing to pay that much. So what I did is I scoured around until I found a wreath. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this tutorial for less than $15. So my inspiration wreath from Pottery Barn was lit. It had lights on it. And so I thought it would be fun to add lights to my wreath as well. So I've got a twig wreath here. You could, if you already have a grapevine wreath, you could actually just add some twigs to an existing wreath. I actually decided to go out and purchase a wreath. And I already had the LED lights, these little fairy lights. I had gotten them years ago at Target in the dollar spot. But they are really easy and fun to use. They just have a little LED on a wire, and you can just wind that wire in and out. So I just wrapped that around my wreath until I had covered the whole thing. As I started doing it, I realized that it would be a good idea to actually turn them on so I could see where the lights were as I was winding them around the wreath. Once the lights were all wrapped around, I took the excess cord and wrapped it around a twig, and then took a piece of wire and wrapped the battery pack around the wreath to secure that into position. These little LED lights are really quite versatile. I've used them to light my greenery that's on my mantle at Christmas time. I've also used them to light up centerpieces for a wedding. I've used them for other parties, and they are just really fun to have and to use for different occasions like that. These little bats that I'm going to add to the wreath come 4 to a package, and they're glittery, so they are kind of fun and glittery and show up really well. They have a little clip on the back side, and so all I needed to do was clip them onto the branches randomly around the wreath. So it was really fast and easy. Now, if you're unable to find these little clip-on bats, you could cut some out of like a glittery foam, craft foam, and then you could glue them on if you'd like. I thought if I just left them clipped on like this, I could take them off and use the wreath for another purpose later on if I decided to do so. All right, here's the finished wreath, and I'm getting ready to hang it on the door. I've turned on the lights, and I've got a little hook somewhere right there. Placed a little piece of wire on the back for hanging, and there you go. So how do you like my wreath? Isn't it a fun, festive way to welcome visitors to the door? So let us know what you think. Leave a comment below. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell for notifications. If you want any information on product that we used, you can find that in the description section. Thank you for watching another tutorial here at Sunnyside Design.